Eat. Oh.
He took his time and then
Oh.
he came off
My
not too bad.
gosh. Oh,
Hi,
good.
baby. Oh, it's a spooky bucket.
Oh, look at all these
Oh.
guys.
Hi, baby. Hey, say hi, Jody. Hi, Jody.
Oh.
He just stood there and looked around. He didn't get all silly.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't he cute?
It's beautiful.
And he just nuzzled me right away.
Oh.
I just went in and...
Oh my gosh, he's gorgeous.
What you doing there, buddy? So he has 4 plates on, by the way.
Pardon?
He has 4 plates on, so we will have to get your guy out.
Okay, no problem.
And he's run under, but we'll get a heel on him soon.
Okay. Ready?
Who did you say your farrier was?
Craig Peterson.
Oh.
Just telling Joe.
I just asked her that.
I couldn't remember.
Yeah, he's not well known.
Oh, here's a patch. There's a patch of grass.
Oh, beautiful.
Baby. Oh, little baby. Isn't he sweet? He does. He has a baby face. Don't eat that. That's like old from the barn for years. Come here, Apple. Remy, come here. Come here. Look. Oh. Oh, and he loves treats. Hey? And he's won a race, apparently.